Which translation is correct? This happened on the 90s. This happened at the 90s. This happened in the 90s. We use in for months, years, decades, centuries, and long periods of time in general. Which translation is correct? I have to meet the children at lunchtime. I have to meet the children on lunchtime. I have to meet the children in lunchtime. We use at for time, and that includes meal times, at lunchtime, at dinner time. Which translation is correct? We will go for a drink after the concert on Friday evening. We will go for a drink after the concert on Friday evening. We will go for a drink after the concert at Friday evening. We use on for days and also for name of day plus part of the day on Friday evening. Which translation is correct? You can wear these clothes at the ottoman. You can wear these clothes in the ottoman. You can wear these clothes on the ottoman. The correct answer is you can wear these clothes in the ottoman. We use in for months and seasons. Which translation is correct? Is your baby quiet at night? Is your baby quiet on night? Is your baby quiet at night? The correct answer is your baby quiet at night. We use in for parts of the day, in the morning, afternoon, evening, but we say at night. Which translation is correct? I will retire in 2027. I will retire at 2027. I will retire on 2027. The correct answer is I will retire in 2027. We use in with months and years. Which translation is correct? My birthday is on the 10th of January. My birthday is at the 10th of January. My birthday is in the 10th of January. The correct answer is my birthday is on the 10th of January. We use on with days and dates. Which translation is correct? I don't work in Christmas Day. I don't work at Christmas Day. I don't work on Christmas Day. The correct answer is we use at for public and religious holidays, but we use on for days and dates, and Christmas Day is a specific day during the Christmas holiday. Which translation is correct? The snow melts in the spring. The snow melts on the spring. The snow melts at the spring. The correct answer is the snow melts in the spring. We use in for months and seasons. Which translation is correct? We don't know what will happen at the future. We don't know what will happen on the future. We don't know what will happen in the future. The correct answer is we don't know what will happen in the future. We use in for months, seasons, years, decades, centuries, and long periods of time in general, and this includes in the past, in the future.
How many questions did you answer correctly? Let me know in the comment and subscribe for more.